Hi, welcome to our electromagnetic theory course. In today's class, we will discuss about forces due to magnetic fields. Forces due to magnetic fields. We have three types of forces, or else three forces are experienced due to magnetic fields. First one is what? Force on a moving charged particle due to the magnetic field, and force on a current element due to the magnetic field. Force between two current elements. We know that how magnetic field is generated. Moving charge produces the magnetic field, or else current carrying conductor. Current means what? Flow of charge. Flow of charge means charge is in the movement. Okay, charge is in moving position. Here force on a moving charged particle. We know that if there exists a charge, there exists what? Electric force. That electric force is given by what? Fe equal to what? Q into E. Okay. If charge is moving with velocity, this charge is moving with velocity in the magnetic field, in that case, this charge is moving with velocity in the magnetic field. In that case, there exists a magnetic force Fm is given by Q into U cross B. Q into U cross B. U is the velocity. U is the velocity. So therefore, total force is given by what? In this case, if there exists a charge, either it is stationary or moving, in that case there exists a electric force like this. From the Coulomb's law, we have F equal to what? Q into E. So then we have what? F equal to total force is nothing but what? Fe plus Fm. Fe plus Fm. In that case, we have what? Q into E. Q into E plus Q into U cross B. Finally, we can take Q as common, that equal to what? Q into E plus U cross B. U cross B. U is what? Velocity of the charge. This equation is called as what? This equation is called as Lorentz force equation. This equation is called as what? Lorentz force equation. Lorentz force equation. From Newton's second law, we have F equal to what? Let us take this as equation 1. Equation 1 is known as what? Lorentz force equation. From Newton's second law, from Newton's second law, we have F equal to m into du by dt. F equal to m into du by dt. Therefore, equation 1 can be written as what? M into du by dt. M into du by dt is equal to what? Q into, I will write that one here itself. Therefore, F can be written as what? M into du by dt is equal to what? Q into E plus U cross B. U cross B. Okay. This is about what? Force on a moving charged particle. Now coming to force on a current element. What is the expression for the magnetic force? Force on a current element is given by like this. We have magnetic force F equal to, we have magnetic force on a moving charge, F equal to what? If Q is moving with velocity U, in that case we have what? F equal to Q into U cross B. Okay. If I apply differentiation on both sides, that means what? Here it is the total force due to this total charge. Differential force due to the differential charge is given by dq into U cross B. Velocity can be defined as what? Velocity can be defined as what? Distance per unit time. That can be written like this. That is dq by equal dq. U can be written as what? Dl by dt. Distance per unit time. That is B. Now I can write this one. Like this. That is dq by dt into dl cross B. We know that dq by dt, charge per unit time, is nothing but what? Current, that is I into dl cross b. So this is nothing but what? Force on a current element. Force on a current element. Next, this is first force on a moving charge. Second one is force on a current element, and third one is force between two current elements. Force between two current elements, that is given by force between two current elements. 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 Let us consider two current elements. So first current element is like this, that is it is carrying a current of I1 dl1, first element, and second element is taken as I2 dl2. The distance between these two is taken as r. The distance between these two is taken as r. The distance between two current elements is taken as r. Then force between these two current elements is given by like this. As there exists a current element, what about the force? Force on first current element. From this I can write, basically we have force on current element is given by what? df equal to what? We know that, or else simply we know that df equal to what? Idl cross b. Okay, here I have I1 dl1, force on first current element due to second current element. Force on first current element, force on I1 dl1 means force on first current element due to I2 dl2 is given by df equal to what? I1 dl1 cross b2. What is this I2 dl b2? b2 is the magnetic flux density produced by this current element, that is second current element. As it is the differential current element produces what? Differential magnetic field only. That means what? Here instead of taking b2, I need to take what? D, differentiation of b2, means what? Again here I will get d df. If it is d of idl cross b, if it is d of df, I need to take here d. Okay, if it is df like this, if it is d of df means basically this I2 dl2 produces what? db2. So that's why here db, here also d of df. So that's why this can be taken as, that is d df is equal to what? I1 dl1 cross db2. What is db2? db2 is field produced by differential magnetic field produced by I2 dl2. Already we discussed in Biot-Savart's law. Okay, differential current element produces the differential magnetic field. So that's why d of df equal to I1 dl1 cross db2. Now let us simplify that one. We can write that d df. If you have any doubt in this case, please contact. d df equal to what? I1 dl1 cross db2. Very simple. If it is df, since df equal to what? Idl cross b. If it is d of df, idl cross db. From Biot-Savart's law, we have db2 or else db equal to what? Idl cross integral mu naught ideal. Let us take immaterial space or else free space. Mu naught ideal cross r bar by 4 pi r cube. If it is db2 only, here r and here r cube. Here we have the force on this current element I1 dl1. That means what? Force direction like this. Okay, and we can take r21, that is 2 to 1. Distance is what? Distance vector is from 2 to 1. Second element to first element, that is r21 cube. Here also r21. This is what? dv2 mu naught as it is dv2 I2 dl2. Substitute in 1. Let us take this as 1. Okay, or else substitute. Let us take this as equation star. Substitute in equation star. Then d of df, that means force on first current element. I can take this as F1 or else F only. Let us take like that. df equal to what? I1 cross dl1 cross db2. What is db2? What is db2? I1 cross dl1 cross db2. db2 is nothing but what? Okay, for the db2 there is no integration. If it is b2, integration. db2 means mu naught I2 dl2 cross r21 bar by 4 pi r21 cube. Now, if I want force on current element, that is total force, we need to consider what? Double integral. That is double integral of mu naught is constant. 4 pi is also constant. Double integral I1 dl1 cross I2 dl2 cross, or else I will write I1 is uniform current through the first current element. I2 is also constant. Mu naught is constant. We can write like this, that is dl1 cross dl2 cross r21 bar by r21 cube. Basically this is what? I2 dl2 cross r21. Okay, like this. This is what? Force on the first current element. If it is second current element, just we need to take here dl2, here dl cross 1, and r21 changed as what? R12, here r12. Okay, this is all about forces due to magnetic fields. We have three forces. Force on a charged particle, that is given by what? F equal to Fe plus Fm. First one, that is what? Q into E plus U cross B. E plus U cross B. And second one, I will write second one here. Second one, what is second one? Force on the current element, that is given by what? Df. Df equal to what? IDL cross B. And last one, that is third one. Here we have, that is F equal to what? Mu naught I1 into I2 by 4 pi double integral dl1 cross dl2 cross r21 bar by r21 whole cube. So this is all about forces due to the magnetic fields. First one is force on the charged particle, second one is force on current element, and third one is force between two current elements. This is all about forces due to magnetic fields. We will meet in next class. Thank you.